If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. Today I'll share a very famous Italian recipe that is loved by adults and children alike. That is pasta in red sauce. I can call this a single pot recipe. You need not buy red sauce from the market. Just have Italian herbs and fresh tomatoes and you are good to go. Let me show you how to make this easy peasy pasta recipe. Please note the ingredients needed to make red sauce spaghetti. List is also given in description below. First of all, put some water in a pot. Add in some salt or namak to it. When it boils, add in raw or dry spaghetti. If it doesn't go inside, feel free to break and put in the pot. So, in next 7 to 8 minutes, this spaghetti gets cooked. In the same time, let's prepare this sauce. For that, heat oil or tel in a pan. Add in grated lasan or garlic. Sautee it on medium-high heat. When it turns golden, time to add in tomatoes or tomato, which are chopped. You may chop them roughly. Time to add in our condiments or masala. We will add salt or namak to taste. Mixed Italian herbs or Italian masala. Fresh ground black pepper or kali mirch powder. This is also to your liking or to your taste. Now, briefly mix all the spices and salt with the tomatoes and bring the heat to medium. Cover and let these tomatoes cook until they are mushy. So, in the same time, the spaghetti gets ready and sauce gets ready. After about 7 to 8 minutes of boiling in water, the spaghetti is fully cooked. Please remember to cook it fully. And here, the sauce looks good. Tomatoes are mushy. Just mash them with your spoon or ladle. Now add in little bit of sugar or chini. Mix well. Now add in drained pasta. Don't throw the pasta water. Mix well. Now we will add some water that was drained from the pasta to make it saucy and some tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. Mix well. Again, we will cover the pot and let the spaghetti cook in the sauce for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. After which, the spaghetti looks wonderful and it smells heaven. So, for Italian food lovers, this is a easy peasy total treat. It's non-sticky and free-flowing. Look at this. You can enjoy as it is, or if you like cheese, add some grated cheese on the top. However you serve this pasta, it is always a winner. Thanks for watching.